guys, guess what we got? Well, before I tell you, I know when you look around, you see that this looks kind of like a mobile home, right? Which is mostly what we show you guys. But it's something a little different. This is an RV. And it's actually a free RV. We had a married couple who called us begging us to take this RV off of their hands so that they can travel back to Arizona. They were tired of traveling. They've been traveling for many years, and they was just like, we don't want to drive this any longer. We tired. We ready to retire. So we was like, okay, of course, we coming. And so we came out here to get this RV. And I guess what we'll do is show you guys around. But first I want to say this is what happens when you position yourself. Because you can be able to get people calling you, begging you to come to take their properties from them. So whether it's a mobile home, RV, whatever it may be, this is what happens with us often. So we just want to show you guys the RV. Oh, let me mention too, it's a 1998. Yes, it's a little older, but that does not matter. People look for RVs all the time, and RVs do sell. A lot of times people look past them, but they do sell.
Right? The value of it is what, 15?
Yes.
It's like 15,000.
Yes, the value is about 15,000. So we're gonna show you guys around.
So literally, I'll double add to what you're saying. 15,000 fell into our laps.
Talking.
Right, it's $15,000 fell into our lap. So
yep.
great.
So we'll show you guys.
I mean, this thing is nice, guys. Solid floors, little mini shower.
It's in good condition.
I mean, the bedroom. They love the TV. I mean, this thing is nice.
Even left the TV
here. TV on the wall. Oh, this is the toilet area.
Yes.
Wow.
Separate
You can
parts.
see this. This is neat. Look how clean this is, guys. Free. Free, yes. How many times we have to tell you guys, we have to mention that we get these deals for free.
Kitchen.
Just being in the right position. Look at this. I mean, they cleaned it up for us.
They have a microwave. They have the refrigerator.
Yeah, open that up.
She cleaned it out as well for us. They have a little freezer at the top. And it's cool. It works too. You can feel it.
Wow. That's incredible. That is incredible. I mean, everything fired up, guys. And guess what? If we want to keep this thing, we can keep it. Or if we want to flip it, we can flip it.
Right. Or even if you want to donate it to a family member or somebody,
Exactly.
you know, who would want it and or who could use it, you can do that too. This is what makes mobile home investing and the stuff that we do when we set ourselves up to be able to receive these deals. This is what it affords you the ability to do.
Absolutely. And I'll add to the story too. Our lady founders is what we teach in our mobile home in our mentorship. So it's about, that's what we always talk about, like what Miss Kerry is saying, putting yourself in the right position. Because the lady, she thought that she was calling the veterans people to donate it, but she reached out to us and we started contacting her. She's like, you know what, we're not going to even worry about them, just come get it. Right. And we were like, fine, we're coming. And
this was from where we teach when you can be able to become #1 in your city.
Yes.
And #1 in your state, actually.
How far is this away from our home?
3 hours away. 3 hours away.
So guys, wouldn't you drive 3 hours away to pick up 15 grand?
Right.
Think about it.
And I don't think I added that. When I say #1 in your state, I'm talking about online.
Absolutely.
So we don't just, a lot of people think it's all about using these signs, you know, these mobile home signs to get deals. But we have another way that we use.
Absolutely. And that's in the mentorship. So definitely check it out, guys. Check out the link. Let me walk out here and show them how it looks on the outside. I mean, this thing is set up in a park, guys. In an RV park. Look at all these RVs. So look at this. This thing is, let's say it's a little bit older, but free, guys. How can you complain about free? This was the RV. So this is the RV, guys. Just want to encourage you guys to check out the link of how we do these type of deals. All right, thank you.